Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. The title of this video is Double Your F-Stop. So I'm going to use a little camera analogy, if you will, here. So those of you familiar with cameras. The aperture of a camera is the device that controls the amount of light that gets into the film. Well, not film anymore, most digital cameras. But it gets into the hard drive, the drive to record the data. So it controls the amount of light that comes in through the lens. That's the main thing that we want to take from the aperture. The light and the f-stop are all related to resolution. The lower the f-stop on the lens means you can use the lens with resolution at lower light, okay? The higher the f-stop, the less resolution you're going to have. So it's always a balance between the amount of light and resolution. The ability to control the light, lower light, and achieving the same resolution is what we're after here. Like we said, light is the most important element in photography, and if you double the f-stop, you have the Q value or the bandwidth or the quality that you're after, which is really resolution if you think about it, right? If we increase the pressure in a room, we lower our Q value dramatically, okay? It's just like photography. We increase the f-stop, we lower the Q value. So same thing happens in a room. If we increase the pressure, we can think of our room as a glass of water. If it's 16-ounce glass of water with two subwoofers, we're trying to put 24 ounces of liquid in that room. It's not going to work. Just not going to hold that. So the extra 8 ounces is going to be distortion. It's going to spill out of our glass and cause distortion. So we want to be really careful here. We must design the rooms to work within a pressure range. When we do our rooms, it's 80 to 90 dB SPL. That's where we work. Okay, we can go higher than that if you need to, if your usage demands it. We go up to 110 in some home theaters. But you're dealing with a lot of thickness of treatment and you get up into those pressure levels, because just like in photography, we keep increasing the f-stop and, letting more light, letting more pressure, if you will, into the room. Our Q value or bandwidth is going to decrease in resolution. So we want to be careful. The room dimensions, the volume of the room, and the usage, that's what we're always harping on, right? You want to have the right dimensions to start with for the usage. You wouldn't build a room 30 by 30 by 30 feet for one voice. There's no need. Male voice starts about 100 cycles, 11 foot long. Don't really need that big of a room for voice, okay, to avoid the distortions, because the pressure level is low, right, with voice. We only have one person. A person is about the equivalent of a 2.5-inch speaker or 2.5-inch driver acoustically. So, double your f-stop. There's a relationship in photography to light. There's a relationship in small rooms to pressure. And we have to understand that relationship. We have to design accordingly so that everything is in balance, that we have enough light to provide enough resolution on the subject, that we have not too much pressure, just the right amount of pressure within the design parameters of the room to achieve the resolution that we want. Double your f-stop. Hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that, because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.